Hi, it's David from Dataprobe, and I want to show you how you can use user rights in the iBoot-PDU. The PDU allows multiple users to each be assigned individual rights to outlets, sequences, and groups. That allows you to create individual accounts that can manage only the specific elements that the administrator wishes them to. To access the user rights element, you go to Management and Users. You can see here I've already got 3 user accounts set up. This is the built-in administrator password. This is a typical user setup, and here's another one for myself. So as you can see, to set the user up, you add a username, password expiry function, so that if you want them to keep changing their password, obviously the password. If you're using SNMP v3, you need a password here. Then the email address for that user, and finally whether you're going to grant the user administrative rights or not. Then these icons down here are where you're setting up the individual rights to different things. So if I go to outlets, I will see outlets on both the local and the remote PDU that I have set up in this unit, and I can assign or unassign specific rights to myself. The same with the sequencing, and the same with the groups. So once you have a user set up, one of the things that you can do is make them use the group. You can assign rights to groups that have outlets that the user doesn't have individual rights to, and that's what I've done here. I have not given myself rights to server A and server B mains, but I have given myself rights to both the mains of the server as a group. So if I now log out as the administrator and log back in with my account, this is what a user will see when they don't have rights. As you can see, outlets that I don't have rights to are completely grayed out, and outlets that I have rights to are still available. So I can take any of those and do the power functions that I need to. However, the part I wanted to show you here is that even though I don't have rights to these 2 outlets, I do have right to a group that contains those 2. So if I do a reboot, I can see here on this icon that the power went out and then goes back on again. So if you want to be able to maintain specific elements and link them together without worrying about the elements getting out of sync, this is the perfect way to do it. So you can have multiple outlets in a group, not have anybody control the outlets individually, and everybody be able to control the outlets as a group. If you have any other questions about how to use groups or any other aspect of the product, please contact our tech support. We're always here to help. Thank you.